guys, how are you doing? We had a tough time, we all have been sick and there was so much to do and so yeah, finally there's a new video and yeah, we thought about where to go next, what will be our next trip. So we decided to go to the Canary Islands. Maybe some of you know it. If not, they are next to Africa, in the northern part of Africa, and it's always warm there, windy but warm, and we can go there with our campervan. We have a campervan that we converted by ourselves, and it's very funny. It has always been the best trips ever with a campervan, and so yeah, we decided to do it again, and we will go in 2 or 3 weeks. But it's been a long way. It's 1 week to get there finally, but we will see. We will take our dog with us, and it will be new, but we are excited. So I'm going to show you where the islands are. Have a look. We will go to, this is Spain, and this is Portugal, and we will go to this point, or here, it depends on where the ferries are. And then we go with the ferry to the islands, to the Canary Islands. They are here, close to Africa. This is Africa, and these are the Canary Islands. So it's such a it will be a tough road we start from here and go all the way down, end up here, and then with the ferry, which will be about maybe 1 week total travel time. But it's worth it. We've seen pictures and videos, and it's really a little paradise, and it's close. And as I said, we can go there with our campervan, which is always very exciting. So yeah, after a long winter in Germany, it's about time to go into the sun and have this free life at the beach. And the kids, they love it and they miss it a lot. So we're really looking forward to it, and yeah, I hope we can stay there maybe 2, 3 or 4 months, and we will meet a family there, and it's awesome. It will be awesome. I can show you the bus if you. So this is our bus, a lovely little Mercedes Sprint bus, which is frozen. Jeez. Frozen. Let's see inside. That's a dog. Hey, Sydney. Hey, Sydney, you want to say hi? You want to say hi? You exciting to go on trip with us? You exciting? She's excited. Alright, so now we are inside of the bus. Sydney's a little bit confused. Sydney? You confused? Alright. These are the child seats. This is for Jamie and for Julie. And as you see, there's nothing in the bus, because we wanted to use more space, to have a little bit, because we will stay here. This is Jamie's bed, and under there, that will be our bed. That's the bus from inside. Kello is working on it to, make it all happen, and hopefully we can start in 2 or 3 weeks. Wow, it's really, really cold. It's crazy. Actually, it's a summer bus, so it's weird right now. Sydney, are you excited? Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Yeah, it's a lot of work, but it's worth it. So now we're back inside. It's really, really cold outside. I found a nice little map from the Canary Islands. If you have an idea, This is all Spanish islands. This is Gran Canaria, Tenerife, Hierro, La Palma, Fuerteventura, Lanzarote, and yeah, I don't know. We will start with Tenerife, and then we will see. Maybe we go to Fuerteventura, as it's very beachy and we love beaches. So this will definitely be a goal of us. So yeah. And the coolest thing about traveling with a camper van is you are free. You can do what you want, you know. You have everything with you all the time, so you can, let's say you go to another island, then you do it, and then you can explore it by yourself and stay where it's nice and go on as you wish. That's the good thing about being with a caravan. So yeah, I'm really excited about it. And it's gonna be so cool because there are free-living dolphins and whales and turtles, sharks. So it's, for Jamie, it will be a very, very great adventure because he loves to see the wild animals. So he will really be satisfied, I think. Also, it's always very special.
I barely was walking. I've been trying harder all my life, cause I need to be perfect. If I could just be a little better, maybe you could be my salvation out of here. I can get it off, we are never done. I'm Julian, baby, you are like the sun. Pour out all your love, fill me to the top. Let me hear the champagne burst and pop. Cause as long as you are here with me, I'll be living, loving, wild and free. I can get it up, fill me to the top. Let me hear the champagne burst and pop. I just give 200% every day cause I own it. I'm fighting all of my life, I'm bad and I know it. If I could just be a little better, maybe you could be my salvation out of here. Ooh, I can get it off, we are never done. I'm Julian, baby, you are like the sun. Pour out all your love, fill me to the top. Let me hear the champagne burst and pop. Cause as long as you are here with me, I'll be living, loving, wild and free. I can get it up, fill me to the top. Let me hear the champagne burst and pop. Summer days, they will be over soon. Nothing else can get me and you. Let's just sleep beneath the big blue moon. Yeah, yeah. Summer days, they will be over soon. Nothing else can be like.
So guys, we finally made it to South France. We traveled yesterday. We started towards Luxembourg and France, and now we are almost at the ocean and everything is green already. Feels like you skipped spring and are in summertime. That's awesome. Julie's enjoying it. She was collecting all the flowers and walked around barefoot, and Jamie also likes it. He's enjoying the warm weather. There's our bus. Sydney, our dog, is also with us. And it feels so good to be on the road again. So after breakfast we continued our tour to the coast, where we found a nice beach in Sade. Yeah, the kids were like, wow, finally we're back at the ocean. They were running around, also the dog. They really enjoyed it and they collected shells, and we just spent a very nice day at the beach. It was a little bit chilly though, but it was still nice, and to be back, you know, as a family traveling together again, it's so nice. And on the following day we continued a tour towards the border of Spain, and it was quite a long trip, but the kids did really good, and we passed the border, and then we were in. Here is the map that shows you exactly the route we took, and we were in Roses. The place was called Roses, and yeah, it was just amazing. It was sunny at that day, and the beach was beautiful. We could run around barefoot, and the kids really enjoyed it. It was warm, and after a long winter time in Germany, it was really nice to have this warmth and the summer feeling back. And alright, hey you lovely people. This place here is very special for me, so I wanted to share a little story with you. When I got 18 and I got my driver license, I was free then at this time, and I moved to my friend, and I decided to go to the south and to the ocean. So I grabbed my tent, got little Sydney, she was 4 months old, jumped into my little car, and then just drove through France. It was 3 days or 4 days, and then I got here in the middle of the night, super tired, and the rocks to the right, the ocean to the left, and it was such a nice feeling. In the radio there was a song, Hotel California, and I can remember every little detail, and the moon was shimmering on the sea, and it was just so nice. So we decided to stay here, and here in this village over there, there's the village behind these rocks. It's called Rosamar, and so we slept there, you know, slept in the tent, and in the morning we woke up somewhere up there, and then we climbed down the rocks, and then we saw this beautiful beach, and it was just so breathtaking. And for the first time I really felt freedom, and I remember little puppy dog Sydney was running around here totally crazy. She loved it. She was all wet and sandy, and she has her little ball, and she was all over the place and just so happy. And at this time I don't had kids, but always thought about how it would be like to show my kids this beautiful things in life. And now, as I'm here 13 years later with my children and my old little dog Sydney, it's just so nice to be back here. It's very special for me, this place. And look at this. It's just a magic place. And I travel to so many nice places in the world, but you know, when you have this special place where you have so many memories in, then you always come back to this place, and it's always special. And then we continued our tour to Barcelona, which was also very nice. We spent the whole day. We took the tram with the kids, and we're heading to the city of Barcelona, looking, you know, walking through the streets, this famous street of La Rambla, and it was really nice to see so much culture, and it's a very beautiful city. The kids found a little playground, and they were swinging. It was really nice. There was so much to see. There was this golden angel that took Julie's pacifier, and then there was an alien statue, a living one, and yeah, it was. You just see the videos and pictures, and it was really nice. And now we are here in Valencia. It's a very beautiful city, a city of art and science, it's called. and you really can see it on the buildings, and everything is art. Even the playground is art. Even the playground, there was a big statue of Gulliver, and they made slides and everything, and it was really nice. Yeah, it's really a nice city to visit, and the streets are paved with orange trees, and Julie went crazy. She saw them from the window and was like, "Oh, orange trees, let us pick some oranges," and so she did. And so I decided to make weekly reviews. And yeah, if you like this video, give me a thumb up, and subscribe to our channel, and you don't miss a video. Alright, see you next week. Bye bye.